sacral involvement. Short leg, we'll bring the legs into flexion. It stays short. We'll rule out cervical syndrome, check trigger points. And like the lumbar rotated one, we don't have any trigger points. Now we'll check for rotation of the fifth lumbar. That feels good. There doesn't seem to be any misalignment there, okay? The next thing that we'll do is check sacral restriction. We'll stabilize the base of the sacrum, and we'll have the patient to hyperextend the leg. We'll do the good leg first, that's the left one, then we'll do the right, and more than likely you will get restriction on that right side. Okay, so your listing would be in inferior sacrum and apex left on that side. Okay? And there's 4 ways that you can correct this one. You can stand on the involved side, or you can stand on the underinvolved side. You can pivot to the inferior, or you can pivot to the superior. Okay. So, if we are doing it on the by standing on the involved side, and the involved side was the right side, and we'll cross the right leg at the knee or the left leg. We will contact the apex of the sacrum on the left side with pisiform, okay, and the medial PSIS and torque with the hand that's on the apex. Or you can pivot to the superior, and the nail hand will change to the superior hand, and we're doing pretty much the same thing. Or you can get on the uninvolved side. Pivot to the inferior, contact the apex. Everything's done with the drops, okay? Or you could pivot to the superior. Take the apex and thrust. Okay? After you've done the adjustment and made the correction at this point, the legs should balance out. We'll bring them into flexion and they're balanced. Bring them back down. Patient rotates their face right and left, and they're balanced. There's no reason to check trigger points again. There's no reason to check the fifth lumbar, but we will check sacral restriction. Okay. Pelvic negative with either lumbar or sacral involvement.